Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. I am Muhammad Amirul Fikri bin Muhammad Isham, student from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Technology, University Technical Malaysia Melaka. Today I want to present about my case study BMKF 3263 Risk Assessment. Go to the introduction first. Industrial Risk Treating Worker Safety. This case study for the BMKF 3263 course focus on Kohu Malaysia Sendirian Berhad, a semiconductor equipment produced led by manager Alex Po and Wong Yawi. Kohu prioritized safety with rigorous assessment. The product improvement group identified and mitigates workplace hazard. The study identified hazards, evaluate risks, and develop control. Method include inspection, survey, incident analysis, and audit. Risks are categorized and recommendation made. The goal is to comply with regulation, promote safety at Kohu Malaysia Sendirian Berhad, and provide insight for a safer work environment. Data gathering. Workplace inspection. Regular workplace inspection were conducted to visually identify potential hazards. These inspections were carried out by safety officer and team leader who follow a checklist to ensure all areas are covered. Second one is employee survey and interview. Survey and interview were conducted with employees to gather their input on workplace hazard. This survey include the question about the frequency and type of hazard encountered as well as suggestion for improvement. The third one is incident report analysis. Historical incident report were reviewed to identify recurring hazard and pattern. This analysis focus on understanding the causes and consequences of past incident. The last one is safety audit. Comprehensive safety audit were performed to assess compliance with safety regulation and internal policies. These audits were conducted by internal safety team and external consultant. Next is the risk evaluation. The first one is workplace inspection. Each identified hazard was documented and its potential impact was assessed. The likelihood of each hazard occurring was estimated based on observation condition and historical data. Severity was determined by considering the potential harm that could result from the hazard. Second one is employee survey and interview. Responses were analyzed to identify common hazards reported by multiple employees. The likelihood of hazard was assessed based on the frequency of report. The severity was gauged by the impact of reported incident and near miss. The third one is incident report analysis. The frequency of specified incident was used to estimate the likelihood of hazard. The severity was determined based on the outcome of past incident, including injuries, property damage, and production downtime. Root cause analysis was conducted to understand underlying issues contributing to incidents. Last one is safety audit. Non-compliance issues were documented and assessed for potential risks. The likelihood of hazard was evaluated based on audit findings and areas of non-compliance. The severity was determined by the potential consequences of identified non-compliance issue. Risk matrix chart. Likelihood, as we can see, level 1 is rare, very unlikely to occur. Second one is unlikely, possible but not expected. The third one was this is in the middle, possible. Level 3 might occur occasionally. Fourth one is likely, will probably occur to most circumstances. The high level is level 5, almost certain, expected to occur frequently. Level of the severity is insignificant is the level 1, no injuries or health affected. The second one, level 2, minor injuries or health effect. In the middle was level 3, moderate, require medical treatment. And the level 4 is the major, serious injury and health affected. And the last level, which is the level 5, catastrophic, which is the fatalities or significant irreversible health effect. Okay, this is the hazard which I found in Kohu based on the Google form that I create. Okay, next we go to the risk metric chart. This is the risk metric chart. Okay, for the first level, which is 0 to 2, the rating was very low, which is the risk is really low, but keep monitoring once it's a while. The score is 3 to 5, the risk rating was low, which is the acceptable monitoring frequency to ensure the risk can still be controllable. Okay, when the score is 6 to 10, the risk rating was medium, which is it can be tolerated for a short period while creating a control measure to reduce the risk. When the score is 11 to 20, the risk rating was high, which is high risk activity should be stopped until the control measure have been introduced. The control measure must be monitored to ensure the was reduced. Okay, when the score is 21 to 25, the risk rating was danger, which is any work should be stopped until the risk is reduced. Action must be taken immediately before the work can be allowed to continue. Control measure taken must be monitored often and has further action to highly reduce the risk. Okay, this is the risk rating chart. As we can see, this is the 25 hazard, and I have showed the likelihood, severity and rating. I also include the control measure. Okay, the suggestion is for the first one is sharp edge on holder. We can install protective guard or providing cut resistant glove. Second one is wet floor, regular cleaning schedule and non-slip mat and warning sign. For the third hazard, narrow work areas, we can reconfigure workspace and one-way system traffic can use. Okay, next, confined space. We can conduct risk assessment or confined space training. Okay, next is the fire hazard. We can install fire detection system and proper storage of flammable material. Next is radiation exposure. We can implement shielding and regular monitoring. After that, the hazard is dust and particulate matter. We can use the dust extraction system and respiratory protection. Okay, the next hazard is poor lighting. We can adequate general lighting and task lighting. Next is chemical spill. We can spill containment and spill kits. Next is pressure system. We can use regular inspection and training on safe operation. Okay, the tangle wire, use cable management solution or use cable tray, tie and conduit to keep wire off the floor. Next, automatic door. Install sensor to prevent automatic door from closing when someone is in the path. Ensure the door are regularly maintained and serviced. Okay, after the MSC tool, implement a tool management system where each tool has a designated workplace. Conduct regular to audit to ensure all tools are properly stored. Tangle PC wire, use cable, organize and underdust cable management solution. Implement a policy require of to all PC wire be neatly arranged. Noise exposure, conduct regular noise level assessment and provide ear mount. Implement engineering controls such as soundproofing and equipment maintenance. Manual handling, provide training on proper lifting technique and ergonomic practice. Use mechanical aids such as trolley and lift to reduce manual handling. Compressed gas. Store compressed gas cylinder in a secure and ventilated area. Regular inspect and maintain cylinder and associated equipment. For heavy machinery, ensure all machinery is regularly maintained and inspected. Provide training on the safe operation of heavy machinery. High temperature, install ventilation and cooling system to maintain a comfortable temperature. Monitoring workplace temperature level and adjust work schedule accordingly. Vibration, use vibration damping material and equipment to reduce exposure. Implement job rotating and brake to minimize prolonged exposure. Lockout, tagout failure. Implement strict lockout, tagout LOTO procedure for maintenance works. Provide comprehensive LOTO training for all relevant employees. Security hazard, install security systems such as camera and access control. Conduct regular securities audit to identify and address vulnerabilities. Narrow area in the office. Reconfigure office layout to provide more space. Implement a clean desk policy to reduce clutter. Motorcycle park not in its place. Design specific parking areas for motorcycle and clearly mark them. Implement policy to enforce proper parking practice. Walkway in Kohu, ensure walkway are clear of obstruction and properly maintained. Use signage to indicate pedestrian walkway. Okay, here is the 25 responder based on my Google form that I have give to the employee of Kohu. Okay, for the conclusion, the risk assessment has provided valuable insight and actionable recommendation that will help Kohu Malaysia Sdn Berhad achieve its safety and health objective. By addressing identified hazard and implementing the proposed countermeasure, the company can ensure a safer workplace, reduce the likelihood of accident and injuries, and enhance overall employee well-being. Continuous improvement and employee involvement will be key to sustaining this safety engagement and ensuring long-term success. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching.